Here is the Oakeer nose wax kit right here, you guys. We're gonna do an unboxing. I'm gonna show you guys everything that's included. I'm gonna show you guys how to use it, and I'm gonna give you guys my review. A little heads up, I do love this product right here. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna see right here is the user manual. It's a very small user manual. I'm gonna show you guys how to use it actually. We do have the actual sticks right here. I pulled one out, and I've been using them for a while, so it comes with more sticks, but. So these are the sticks right here. You're gonna be dipping this side into the wax, and this is the side that goes into your nose or into your ears. And then this is the flat side, so just in case you need to put some wax on here, and then throw it at the edge of your ears maybe, and then go ahead and, remove those hairs. This is the wax itself. It comes in this nice little Ziploc baggie. I've been using it over and over again, but you guys could see they're like these little beads right here of wax. And then we're gonna go ahead and put them into the silicone cup. So here's the little silicone cup it comes with, and we're just gonna keep filling it up, and then you just reuse this over and over again. As you guys could see, the wax from last time that I used this is right there, and that's a little tip for you guys. You're just gonna leave it in there and reheat it, and you could keep using it over and over again. Here's our little measurement cup right here, you guys. We're gonna be using the microwave, and when you use the microwave, you fill it up to that 20 milliliter spot of water, and then you're gonna throw this directly on top. I'm gonna show you guys in a second. And then we're gonna be microwaving it 60 to 90 seconds, and we're gonna see how the wax holds up, and the consistency of it's supposed to be something like honey. So it also comes with these stickers. These are for your mustache, so you're not waxing the hair that's close to your mustache. And this is what they look like right here. Okay, you guys, now it's time to warm up our wax, and you guys could see it's nice and prepared. We have that 20 milliliters of water, and then we do have the wax balls all the way at the top. Those are gonna melt right now. We're gonna microwave it for 90 seconds, and we're gonna check on it. So you guys could see that the water was boiling a little bit, and some of it escapes, and that's why I put a napkin right there. So that's a little tip for you guys. And you guys could see that some of the beads are still there, so it's gonna start melting now. You guys could see that they're starting to melt more and more, and that's the steam that was basically built up, and it's nice and hot right here. So you might want to use gloves or something to move this right here, but we're just going to wait till it fully melts, and then I'm going to show you guys how to put it in the ear and the nose, and I'm going to be ripping it off as well. So now that the wax is melted, we're going to use this tip right here, you guys, and this is the consistency we are looking for. It's like goo basically. Maybe you could think of it as honey, and all we want to do is get a little bit on there, and then I kind of do this little rolling method until all the wax comes off of it. So the first one's going to be going in my ear, and then we'll do the nose one. If you guys could see through the camera, I do have hair already coming out, and it's time to wax right there. So what I do is I get a nice little glob, we put it in there, and then you just want to hold it for at least like 15 to 20 seconds, and then you want to give it over a minute to actually fully cool off and grab onto the hair. Now we're going to grab some more wax, and this is going to be for my nose right here. Okay, so now we're just going to go right in there. Same thing, we're going to hold it for a little bit. We're going to wait for it to dry, and I'm going to check in with you guys in a second. Okay guys, we gave it some time. They're both nice and hard, so now it's the hard part to actually take it off, pretty much ripping it off. I do want to say, like, when I first started, I was like real nervous, and the more times you do it, like, the easier it's gonna get for you guys. And so one of my tips is like to do it often. So if you do it like once a week, if your hair does grow that fast, it's a lot easier. If you do it like once a month and your hair really grows, then it's harder to take off. So that's just my tip for you guys. Now I'm gonna go ahead and try to remove it now. Oof. So you guys could see all the hair there, and that was a lot of hair. Some people don't have that much ear hair, but unfortunately I do. So I do have to use this waxing kit right here. And I do have a little bit of hair on the outside. So what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna put some wax on the flat edge, and I just throw it right on there, wait for it to dry, and then rip it off. So that's it's kind of like a 2-for-1 for me. So now I'm gonna try to remove my nose one. Okay. All right, so there is my nose wands. I had a bunch of hair there also. I probably had a little bit more in my ear than I did my nose. Hope you guys learned something from this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching.